Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at stylizing the console, error messages, success messages. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. If you don't like this video, double tap that downvote button. And if you do like it, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. So what we're looking at is stylizing the console log messages. For errors, maybe you want a curious developer on your team, so you leave a "we're hiring" little flag there. Either way, it's a nice little way to break up the monotony of error messages in the console. We're going to start with some boilerplate, and I'm just going to do this inside the HTML here, and I'll just open this page next to me here and open up the console. It's actually a really easy process. We'll just create the style right here inside inline. We can also create a variable, and the format is going to be in a string, and anything you want to be in the style, just CSS. Most CSS works. You can't really take up the entire console with it, but you can do padding and everything like that. So you can make it a big error message, a small error message, give it shadow, whatever you want to do. For these, I want to make a "we're hiring" page. So I'm going to do background image, and I'm just going to do a gradient here. Linear gradient. We want to go to bottom right. We want to start with blue color. We want it to be easy on the eyes. End with a green color. And we're just putting inline CSS here. So follow the standard practice with a semicolon. We'll do a text color of almost white. We'll do padding outside of this for 50 pixels. We'll give it a border radius of 7 pixels, and we'll give it a font size of, let's do 1.2 rem. That's all we're going to do for this one. So we'll call this hiring. Follow this naming. You have to do %C. That lets it know that, hey, there's some kind of style coming afterwards. You pass it in as a second parameter. So we'll type "we're hiring." Check out our careers page. And then we'll just pass in hiring as our second parameter. We're hiring, check out a careers page. So that's a good one to put in there. Facebook has one letting people know that they won't get any kind of hacking by going in through the console. For our next one, we'll do an error message. This one's, I would say, more for a developer, or you could let customers know if they see an error to submit the report. So here we'll do just a string, %C, there was an error, please reload. And we'll give our second parameter, and we'll give it a little bit better of a color. Let's say CC1414. This is red to yellow. E7CC33. There we go. There was an error, please debug. So this gives us a few nice messages to work with, and then we can do something we all like to see. Maybe if your fetch command was successful, we want to give a success message. And we'll just give it to hiring. So there we go. We can change this up to however we like, but that looks pretty nice. So this gives you a little bit of a way to just customize things, make it look a little bit better. If there are going to be errors, you can catch them. That way the customer isn't seeing, or anybody who's digging around in the console, you can just redirect them back to the home page. Maybe there's an error, please go back to the home page. Maybe you could do something on the 404 page here. So just something a little bit different to do, makes it look a little bit better. Thanks for watching.